like Scooby-Doo, I fuck her like a dog. Eat the bash like Scooby snacks, then I go hard. Girl, drop your man, cause he ain't shit, I'll take you far. She drop it to it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your girl KJ. And in today's video, I will be doing this hairstyle here. I was trying to see how I was gonna be able to cut this, stuff like that, whether I wanted to use scissors or clippers. So I just went ahead and cut it with some plain scissors. So that's what I did. This is the final look of how it is. So yeah. So I hope you guys like this video. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You already know the deal. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alright y'all, so this is just how my hair looks when it's washed, dried, all that good stuff, and I just put it in a ponytail. So this is just how my natural hair looks. It looks dry because it is dry. So I am going to get my hair braided straight to the back, and I'm going to have my sister braid it for me. And these are just how they look. I just had her braided straight to the back. I didn't have her connect the bottom, which is okay because I'm putting a cap on it anyway, so it really didn't matter. And she just braided straight to the back. So these are how they look, and I am going to be putting on my cap. I have a lighter cap, so I'm going to be adding like makeup or something, like a foundation to it to, you know, kind of be my skin tone. And I got these wig caps from my local beauty supply store. So this is just the wig that I'm using. I used this already, so I'm gonna have that video up like down below or something like that. So this is just, I already used this before, so I'm just gonna reuse it, and I'm gonna cut it into like a bob type of a look. So yeah, this is just how it is. I already washed it and conditioned it and boiled it and all that good stuff, and this is just how it looks once it's air dry. I did not blow dry it. So yeah, so these are the caps that I'm using, my local beauty supply store. I'm kind of doing that trend that everybody's doing, just to see if it actually worked. It's alright. I mean, it kind of worked. It worked the same to me. So yeah, so right here I'm just putting on the Got2b Glue freeze spray, and I put that on from ear to ear on my cap, just making sure that it's flat and all that good stuff, and all the way to that dry. So once it's dry, I go ahead and cut the excess off to my liking. And yeah, once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Got2b Glue gel, and I'm gonna put that on the perimeter of my ear to ear on the frontal, well, not on the frontal, but on the cap, and I'm gonna blow dry that. So yeah, I'm just cutting it, and then after all that, we're gonna put the gel on top. And yeah, so here I am going to be putting on this spray that I got from my local beauty supply store. It was $7.99, which I did not know, so I was a little hot about that, baby. I'm a little hot. Okay, so I just blend that in. It was real easy to put on. I just sprayed it all over, and I just blended that in just a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with the gel, like I said before. And I'm going to just put it all on the perimeter and wait till that dry. I used the blow dryer to dry it because I ain't got time. Like, I was trying to hurry up. So I used the blow dryer, and I did it on, I started on cool, but then I went to high as well. So yeah, once that was dry, we went ahead and applied the wig. I actually did that off camera. So yeah. All right, so this is just the hair once again. It was a little like, it wasn't tangled up. I'm just basically brushing it through. So all I'm doing is putting it on my mannequin head, pinning it down to my mannequin head so it won't go nowhere, because who got time for that? Nobody. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and pin it down, and then I just went ahead and went over the middle part. I did the middle part, and I'm just using my water and conditioner just to spray it on her, because I just give it a little, just hydrate it a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So I did that, and I brushed it through once I sprayed it and stuff. And then I went ahead and started to pluck the middle part that I already have. So I wound up plucking just a little bit, just because I wanted to, make it look a little, visible or whatever. So that's just what I'm doing. That's what I'm gonna be doing for the middle part, and that's pretty much it. I went ahead and cut the hair to my liking with the bob idea. I went ahead and did that off camera, and I went ahead and also I glued the wig onto my head off camera as well. But I will just show y'all, how that go. But here I'm just parting the hair and I'm plucking it slowly but effectively, if that makes any sense. So yeah. All right, y'all. So like I said before, I already glued the wig down to my head or to my face, because it ain't I glued it down to my forehead, face, all that good stuff. So I already glued it down, and I went ahead and cut it to my liking off camera, and I just used some plain scissors. I didn't have no clippers to cut it. I used some plain scissors, so it may be a little off, but I did it the best that I could. I'm not a professional, but hey. So, I went ahead and glued my my wig down to my face with the Ghost Bond glue. I used that, and I'm also right here, I'm showing you like the little pieces that I didn't get, that didn't, catch on to the glue when I was gluing it. So I'm just going over with the Ghost Bond. This is the Ghost Bond. This is how it looks. And you can get that from pretty much anywhere. I'm actually using my sister's, because who finna pay $25 for some glue? No, thank you, sis. But anyway, I'm using hers, and I'm just going in with the little slots. I can't even speak right now. The little slots and little pieces of holes that be lifting or whatever, and I'm just gluing that down. So once that is dry, I'm going to go ahead and put the elastic band around the perimeter of my lace, and I'm going to tie it in the back, which I kind of struggle, but hey, it's okay. So the hair was all in the way, but anyway, we're going to wait about 5, maybe 10 minutes. If you want to go to 15, go ahead and do 15 minutes, but once that is done, we're gonna take it off. Okay. So now we're gonna take it off. I waited 15 minutes, so we're good. So I took it off, made sure there's no like wrinkles in the lace. Like, we need everything to be laid. So once I do that, I'm gonna go in with some alcohol and a rag. You can honestly use whatever to wipe away the excess glue if you got some on your face, the excess spray, all that good stuff. Wipe that away, because you want that off your face, okay? Because who want to be looking like they just a mess? Don't nobody want to look a mess. So once I do that, I'm gonna go in and start basically styling the hair. So I'm just going to be using a hot comb to style the hair, and also a regular flat iron. Guess what song I'm singing? Nasty but classy, Birkin bag me, spend a couple thousands on my jeez. Get my teeth done, cash at me, sneak Nixon on the gram at me. Hey, where my bad? Looking for an athlete, fashion over dressing, ain't wearing no panties. Broke boy scammers, where they at? I just seen 100 bottles coming to front and back. I don't wear a job, bitch, I am a job. You don't like it, take a hike, pay me for a sucker stop. I'm a rich with an attitude. Pop it down for I whoop you like your mama do. Ooh. Y'all, I just killed it. Well, anyway, we're gonna go ahead and keep going in the video. You know I can't do the copyright. I ain't got time for that. So I'm just going ahead and styling the hair like I said before, while I'm jamming to the City Girls Job. Okay, and I'm also listening to some other music as well. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so as I'm getting done flat ironing my hair, I'm just doing a little touch up here and there, and all I'm doing is flat iron. Maybe I'm cutting a little bit here and there just to see, and I'm just chilling, I'm just chilling. So this is just how the hair moves, I guess. It's cute, but I like it. I really do like it. I'm doing too much, but I really do like it. Hey. Oh, get it. So I'm just finishing up. So here is a close-up. Like, ooh. So this is just what the final look looks like. It's really cute. I had to bump a few spots, but this is just how it looks. A whole like 360. This is the back. It looks really cute. I really like the highlight of the color of the wig, but yeah, this is just how it looks. Like I said, I didn't cut it correctly, but I mean, hey, it still turned out pretty nice, and you really can't tell because I kind of bumped it. So this is just an up close and personal view of the hair, and I'm just going to show y'all the frontal part. It looks very natural in the front. I had my sister pluck it a little bit more, but this is just how the frontal looks with the baby hairs and basically having it laid completely. Like, I laid this, I really did, and I'm just showing you a little bit of ear action, you know what I'm saying? It was really comfortable how I cut it. I had cut it before. I wore this already, so I'm just showing y'all how comfortable it is and how natural it looks on me. So I really like it. I really liked how it looked real natural, and I just was like, oh crap, I did that. Like, just look, this look like my hair. What scalp? Where's the scalp? Where's the lace? I want to thank y'all for watching this video. If y'all want to see how it used to look before, I do have another video up already on my channel. It is when this hair was like real long, like 26 inches. I'll show y'all that. It should be up here somewhere, but I thank y'all for watching this video, and make sure you guys once again like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because there will be more videos to come, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.